And this is just for you, Kia.
Just gets better and better, doesn't it, really? And it gets worse.
Oh, look at my grandchild. What's he called?
Alan,
Yeah,
£500 fine, Caleb, if you break it.
that's baby Alan.
We're going to call it Shaniqua. I thought it was a bit racist. It's a boy, so.
Oh, look, he's drinking all his bottle.
Oh, it's a fat baby. No, tell him.
He's rocking it.
You're not supposed to.
What's
No,
not
I
going to
don't
cry,
think
is it?
You're the one going to have to pay for it, Dad. Just think of that.
He's not going to break it, is he?
Just think of that.
He's
Just
not
think
gonna-
every time you touch it.
No, because you said you were bringing home the faulty one anyway.
What?
You said you're bringing home the faulty baby anyway.
Exactly, it is faulty. But it's, if you drop it on the floor, it's monitored. Everything you do is monitored. See, if I flip his neck back, then my grade would go down.
Why would you flip its neck back?
I'm just saying if I dropped this, like I was thinking, because I've got a faulty neck. So if his neck went all the way back,
Yeah, but you shouldn't do that to a baby anyway, should you?
exactly.
You're doing the childcare. See, you're getting the knack of it already, wedging the bottle. Poor baby. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. You're spilling milk. Windy.
Stop. Oh. I don't think he does anything now.
You will. Alright, let's start feeding it again now. Baby Alan.
Oh, that's right, little fat jugger, isn't it? No.
E.
No, Dad.
What would it put up with?
Dad.
What, it drops them in, it takes your phones and puts it in dog's water.
Exactly. Thanks.
You got daddy's hat again? What, hat hair? Hat hair. Hair's all over the place. Hat hair. Oh, Caleb, do it. Give it to baby.
You can't suck on it.
Give it to baby. Comes with a big full-size pram as well.
Which I don't see the point of. Was it done yet?
No?
9 minutes it's been feeding for.
You've got to take it for walks and stuff, and it cries through the night as well. It's been feeding for like 20 minutes, and when you stop it cries. Watch.
What was I gonna say?
See?
You got a brother.
Shush, Alan.
Oh my god, what is that? What kind of baby makes that noise?
I don't know. It's possessed.
What's it doing?
I can't sleep. Baby Alan's gone to sleep.
Yeah.
And yes, it does wake up through the night. Once feeding and once it's bum changing. Hey, get the bottle out of your mouth, you'll break it. Dude, I'm not paying £500.
Oh, Dad. Is it just nappy now?
Come back.
I want to go out.
You can't go out, can you? That's the idea of the baby.
We did tell you, you're not babysitting.
You can't go babysit anyway. She's got a wrist thing on. Show me your wrist thing. It's got that wrist thing and it shows how far away it is from baby.
Swipe, swipe, swipe. Thanks. It's only like...
You know that noise then?
It's fine now. Use it here for baby. Baby needs feeding. There you go, it thinks his nappy's on now.
You got baby's bop bop.
Don't set it off.
We just got rid of annoying Bertie, head banging the cage all the time, and now we've got annoying baby.
No, Caleb, no.
Someone's just sent us some lovely flowers. Exotic flowers.
The vlogger.
And we've no idea who they're from. No label or anything. So thank you, whoever it was. What? You having sweet corn again? It's your favourite, isn't it? He's having sweet corn and chicken and cauliflower and potato and mixed cabbage. And that's broccoli. You like broccoli? You normally like broccoli. There you go. Is it too hot? Blow.
Where's this camera? Why is it not making this kind of noise? What?
It's probably broken.
Do you want to sing that? You're paying for it, I'm not.
I'm paying for
Well, it's
it.
not like... It's not... Well, it's not like... It's a real baby, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It cries and everything like a real baby.
I know, but when it's a real baby, you get attached to it.
Well, you might get attached to
I
him.
know, I think I will. But they expect people to just get sick of them when it's difficult to...
If you fail looking after it altogether, just say you tried to breastfeed it and it won't breastfeed.
Boring now. It's not doing it.
Well, it will do. You've got to pram out there. You've got to take it for a walk.
Your tongue just stops.
Look at that. That's ridiculous.
Why is it not
Ridiculous.
making noises?
Because he's asleep.
How to put it down?
His eyes are open.
Oh no, it doesn't show. You're stupid.
Well, you wake it up and he's going to cry.
That means it's a broken one. Right, I think I need...
Are you playing with our new garage? Yeah. Auntie Rachel got you the garage, didn't she? His auntie bought him a garage and he won't stop leaving it alone. But instead of playing with it, zooming the cars around, he keeps taking it apart and fixing it. Doesn't sound like him at all, does it? Look. Put the cars on it then. Let's fly to the sky in my airplane! Yay! Oi, hey. Get off Daddy's phone. Ta. Hour 1 of Alan Watch. Baby Alan Watch, and Kia's tired. Hey, he's been touching the lens on the camera. It's blurred. That's better. After an hour of Baby Alan Watch. Kia's already tired.
Wanna go out?
Tonight is date night. Tonight is date night because we've actually got a babysitter. And this is just for you, Kia. She'll kill me when she plays that back. Just like I'm not allowed to say LOL, you've got to say haha in texts. Because it's cringy daddy. Swag. Look at the state of it in here, Caleb. You need your jabs to come in here. You need your inoculations. Look at it. Look at it. Kia. No, it's not morning. It's 7:15. And just because you've been in bed all this time, don't mean to say you're staying up till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Hello. Oh, big girl. Yeah, I'm a British guy.
So you've been going back to sleep for?
I'm shattered, man.
Well, so's everybody else, but you don't go
Yeah, well.
jumping back in bed every 2 minutes.
So, jump back in bed 2 minutes. First time I have.
What?
Don't touch the doors. No touch. No touch. No touch.
Yeah, so what are you going to jumping back into bed for?
Yes, I can.
What?
Yes, I can.
Why can you?
Because I was doing what I've done for the day, so I can.
Well, do you not think there's other people need to do stuff?
Well, then you should have woke me up.
What?
Should have woke me up.
We're escaping. We're now kid free, and we're trying to get a night out, or at least something to eat.
Yeah.
So we're sneaking off. Shh.
And it's raining, that's why we've got big coats on.
Yeah, and it's cold. And that's it, now we're back, date night over. So, oh, the light's going out. Bye!